Hey, we are back in Evans finishing up this home here. I'm going to take you up there. We've got Colby Ann, picked her up for Mother's Day out. She's getting ready to go down for a nap. Her favorite part, first we have to get a treat, but I wanted to show you guys these results. Come on, baby. Before I finished up the day, you remember those bricks that we looked at earlier? It's a little loud right now. Let's switch it over. Show you Ryan finishing up this concrete. You remember how bad those steps were right there. We still got a little bit. We've got to clean there on that. The house is brightening up much better. Again, a little work to finish up there. Guys got some finishing touches to put on the home. Very happy with the results here. This home.